Are you ready for May 2022 exams? Let's check out with our 15-day challenge chapter-wise test series of Cost and Management Accounting paper number 3 CA Intermediate. Hello guys, welcome to KSJ Teaching. All those who are new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss out on the important notifications, and do hit the like button on the video and share with all your friends. So guys, as many of you might be knowing, that we started with this cost accounting 15-day challenge on 23rd of March 2022. The registrations were closed on 22nd of March 2022. But after the close of registrations, we are still getting a lot of requests from the students that, sir, we weren't able to register for the test series for some reason. We got to know it late from the videos. So we wanted to register. So on huge student demand, we have decided to reopen the registrations for 2 days. That is 27th of March and 28th of March. Registrations will close on 11 p.m. on 28th of March 2022. So what is this 15-day challenge all about? 15 days regular grilling you will get to do for the cost accounting. 2 questions every day as per the schedule. Schedule is already provided, and all those who will be joining now, they will be getting the papers of the first 4 or 5 days whenever they will be joining, right? So the initial days papers are already provided on the app. There will be personalized checking of each and every paper. Now this is the special mention of this series, that you will get to know your mistakes, as we will be doing the personalized checking for each and every paper. Self-evaluation will not give you that analysis that is required from the examination point of view, that where you are lacking, how you need to practice. Self-evaluation will not provide all those things. We will be doing the personalized checking along with the remarks on how to improve on the things, which are the areas you need to improve on, whether you need the written practice, whether you need the conceptual practice, right? All these things you will get to know from this series. Only the registered students will be allowed to attempt the paper, right? So guys, this is a great opportunity that we are providing you. We have reopened the window for this 15-day challenge test series registration, and it is open till 11 p.m. on 28th of March 2022. After that, no registrations will be allowed. So all those who missed out on the initial opportunity, this is a great opportunity for you to register for this series, right? Register for it, take the benefit, and for the initial days, whichever days you might have missed, right, because of the non-registration, material costing, labor, overhead, activity cost sheet, first 4-5 days, you can attempt your paper, you can send the answer sheets, right? We will evaluate. Your evaluation might get late a little bit, but you will get all your papers evaluated. That is my promise to all of you. Right? It might be that you might get it after 3 or 4 days or 5 days, your papers after the evaluation, but you must attempt and you must send it. Where to send it? The guidelines are provided in the mobile app also, from where you will register for the course. I'll tell you the details, right? But note one thing, where you have to send your answer sheets. That is our email ID, that is ksjtestseries@gmail.com. This is the email ID where you will send the PDF of your answer sheets, right? So you have to send your answer sheets in a single PDF. If you are going to send it in the images, your answers will not be checked. That is not possible. Okay, so you have to prepare a single PDF and send it to our mail ID, that is ksjtestseries@gmail.com. So guys, go for it. This is a golden opportunity that you have got to register for this test series and know your preparation for the upcoming exam, that where do you stand and how to improve, because still you have got 1 month for the improvement, right? So if you will get to know in the time that which are the areas you need to improve on, you can in the remaining time. Now, how to register? That is very important. You have to download our Android or iOS mobile app. For that, what you can do is you can scan this QR code also. You can pause the video, scan this QR code, right? It will be taken to a link where you will get to know how to download the Android and the iOS app. I'll give you the details also. All the links are given in the video description, right? You can go and download from there also. Still, I'll brief you. For the Android users, what they have to do is, they have to simply go to the Play Store and search for KSJ Teaching, and they will get the mobile app. Simple for the Android users. For the iOS users, what you have to do is you have to download an app known as My Institute. named My Institute app. You have to download this app. Once you download, this app will ask for the organization code. It will ask for ORG code, and you have to fill that ORG code, that is HMRPY, right? Once you fill this organization code, the app will change to KSJ Teaching, and you will be able to access all the courses. And after opening the app, at the bottom of the app, you will find one link to the store, right? Click on that link in the store. There will be the list of the courses that will open for you. Okay. And there you will get the 15-day challenge cost accounting. So guys, this is a great opportunity that you have got. Do not miss out on this opportunity now. And please note, I'm again and again telling you that the registrations are reopened till 11 p.m. on 28th of March 2022. So all those who wish to join the series now and must join from our mobile app. I have given you the links also. All the links are given in the video description. Even the course link is given in the video description. You can join in from there. The price is 550 for the whole series, right? For 15 days, this is 550 rupees, and each and every paper of yours will be personally checked. That is the most important thing, that you must know your mistakes before the exams, and still you have got some time to improve on those mistakes, right? So see you guys on the other side, and after you have joined it, we will be having some interaction also, right? And we'll be having a good time knowing our mistakes and improving on them, right? So see you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much.